You ready? Let's go.
Hey, boys and girls, I don't know how I feel today, so let's just get on the machine and let's do a spin, whatever we feel like. Keep it in 15-20 minutes, I guess, or something like that. Bowflex Max Trainer, down in the descriptions. The Max Trainer and Bowflex, anything you want to know, you're a click away. The coldest water bottle. Coldest water bottle also has more than just water bottles. There's a click away down there too. Help support the channel, click on those. Also a big thumbs up helps. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification. I'm pausing because I'm forgetting what I'm saying. Let's go work out. Not a real long one. Let's just have fun. We'll just spin it. All right? I'll see you on the machine. If you got your machine on manual, let's get ready to go. Got some new music for you too.
Alright, like I said, we're just going to go for a little spin here. I had nothing really planned. It's just a whatever spin. The other day I wasn't feeling too hot under the weather, and I'm still not feeling 100%. So I just wanted to get on the machine and spin for maybe 15-20 minutes. We'll see what it ends up being. We're doing pretty good. We're above the 30 burn rate per minute there. Once again, guys, down below in the description, you can click on Bowflex. It'll take you directly to the Max Trainer, or you can shop whatever you want for Bowflex. That's between you and the company. I'm just providing you a link. Same thing with the coldest. There's a clickable link down there if you want to check them out. I just provide the links for you, and you guys can go and shop with the companies. Sometimes you just got to get on your Bowflex and do a little bit of spinning, nothing planned. Even when you're not feeling the greatest for the day, just get on there and spin and get your workout in. If this burn rate right now is too high for you, just relax. Listen to the tempo of the music and just get a nice workout. Don't forget to breathe. Nice deep breath in. Keep the oxygen flowing through your body. Trying to maintain a steady pace here. We're not trying to juice it up at all. We're not trying to do anything fancy. Just a nice moderate pace. Out for a spin. If you guys noticed, I am starting to have some commercials in my videos. I have no control of that after a certain point with YouTube. It's something that happens. The only control I had was made it so you can click the commercial so you don't get interrupted on your workout. We're over 3 minutes into this workout now, guys. You should be settling in, relaxing. There's no reason to get excited. Take your time. If it's your first time stopping by my channel, checking out my workout here, I am the oil-filled workout guy, Joe. The main equipment of this channel is the Bowflex Max Trainer. It's what everybody comes here to check out. Occasionally I'll get into doing some pull-ups or hitting a heavy bag or some push-ups. It's not really the main attraction of this channel. But if you guys ever want to see that, just let me know. Put it down in the comments down below. And once again, if it's your first time coming by, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you know every time I upload. Guys, I created this channel so you would have somebody to work out with. My main purpose, my main goal here is to set the bar high so you constantly have somebody to chase. When you finally catch my numbers, and you will, I'm 51 years old, I have confidence if you're a little younger than me and working out steady, you will catch me. Let me know in the comments that you caught me so we can brag about you. Coming up on the first 5 minutes out of the way. I hope you're feeling good right about now. You should be really settled in. This is a full body workout, guys. Use that upper body as much as you're using those legs. Don't just depend on those legs. It will wear you out fast. If you're new, just stopping by, just to give you a little background. The name of the channel is because I work in the oil field out here in North Dakota. Prior to coming to the oil field, I used to live in New Jersey, also a truck driver there. But in my spare time, I got sponsored to be an inline speed skater. When I finally came out to the oil field, a little dusty out here, little country out here. No good for the inlines. So I tried going to the gym. Wasn't really a big fan of the gym. Then we discovered the Bowflex Max Trainer. I fell in love with it. Fell in love how hard this was, how challenging it was. Then after a while, I decided I was going to put it online and bring my YouTube videos to you guys. And so far, it's turning out to be a big success. Best part about the channel, most people like it so they can watch my video and try to chase me down. And I hope that is what you're using it for also. Guys, I do not sell the Bowflex Max Trainer. I provide you with a link to click on there and go and talk to Bowflex yourself. Yes, it is an affiliate link and it does help the channel, but I do not sell them personally, nor am I sponsored by Bowflex. Although it would be nice to have a little recognition from Bowflex, because I'm sure a lot of people buy them after watching these videos, but they have not contacted me, and that's okay. Also down in the description there, if you're interested in the coldest water bottle, I do use a coldest water bottle and they are true to their name. They do keep your drink nice and refreshed. If you want to check them out, you can click right on the link and go deal with the company. They will take care of every needs that you have. Nice and smooth, guys. Don't forget your breathing. Full extension on the upper body. Make every stroke count. If you're not relaxed this far into the workout, you need to back it down and relax, calm yourself down, nice deep breath. The only thing that I ask when you're doing these workouts, no matter how bad it is, how bad you're hurting, don't stop. Commit yourself to the workout and just finish it. I mix the videos up here, guys. Once in a while you'll hear a voiceover like you're hearing today. That way I can concentrate more on the machine and get a better workout. Or sometimes I like to talk. I'm feeling a little under the weather. I prefer just to do the voiceover and give you a little commentary on what I was feeling, what I was thinking at the time. Today we had it made up in our mind that we were going on the machine and just do a little bit of spinning. Nothing really planned. We just went to get on and see how we felt. 10 minutes into the workout now, guys. You should be feeling really good. Nice deep breath. If you're struggling right about now, slow way down and make sure you get yourself a drink of water. Coming up on 13 minutes, guys. A little over 400 calories now. Just keep moving along. You're doing great. trick I love to tell everybody to do. If you were in sports when you were back in high school, find that memory somewhere deep in your mind of that guy or that girl that used to beat you all the time. Get that image, get mad. This is your time to go chase them down and beat them. I'm pushing it harder now. We're almost coming up on 15 minutes. But I say, let's push it and round this off to a 500 calorie burn. We're almost there. No sense in stopping right at 15 minutes. Coming up on 485. Stick with me. We can get this done quick. $495. We got 4 more calories to go now. 3, 2, 1. 500 calories. 1538. Good job, guys. Hope you enjoyed the workout.